maybe I just haven't let it sink in. 3 years we were living together, held me like you hold me forever. Didn't think the heartbreak would feel like this. From everything to nothing at all, every day to never at all. And everyone says that I should be sad, it's normal that I don't feel sorry for myself. Give your hand to somebody else. Wouldn't get jealous if you're happy. It's okay if you forget me. I don't feel empty now that you're gone, 'cause I mean it didn't mean nothing at all. But I'll tell you why the worst is, it's the way it does in the hurt when I wish it did. Patience is a thing that I learned from you. Some things can't feel wrong even though they're true. Went through all the hard times together, kept me calm when I lose my temper. I'm just really grateful that I had you. From everything to nothing at all, every day to never at all. And everyone says that I should be sad, it's normal that I don't feel sorry for